Need to program a new key fob for your Infiniti Q50? Due to advanced security in 2025 models, the most reliable method involves your Infiniti dealership or a certified technician. First, ensure you have all original keys for backup purposes. At the dealership, a technician will connect a specialized OBD2 scanner, such as the Nissan Consult 3, to your Q50's diagnostic port. They'll access the immobilizer system menu and select Key Registration or Add Key. The new key will be inserted into the ignition, and following the prompts on the scan tool, the technician will program the key, and up to 4 keys can be programmed. They'll then test the key's functions, like locking and unlocking, and perform a reset if needed. Dealerships typically charge $50 to $150 for this service. Remember, professional programming ensures your key is correctly synced with your car's immobilizer system and complies with Infiniti's security protocols. Attempting DIY methods, especially on newer models, can lead to system lockouts requiring costly dealership interventions. While professional programming is recommended, some DIY methods exist, primarily for older Q50 models pre-2018 and come with risks. Some forums suggest cycling the ignition multiple times with a master key while pressing buttons on the fob. However, success rates are very low. Another option is using aftermarket OBD2 scanners with Infiniti-specific software like Autel or Launch X431. Ensure compatibility with your Q50's model year before purchasing these tools, costing $200 or more. The process involves connecting the scanner, accessing the immobilizer menu, and following on-screen prompts. However, incorrect programming can trigger anti-theft alarms, void warranties, or even lock you out of your vehicle, requiring a tow to the dealership, which may cost upwards of $400. As newer Infiniti Q50 models integrate features like digital keys through the My Infiniti app, DIY methods become less viable. For peace of mind and to avoid potential damage, it's generally best to consult with a professional. Remember to back up all of your working keys before starting any DIY attempt.